Vanakkam, good morning. In this video, we are going to discuss about the patch clamp technique. Patch clamp technique used for studying the ion channel and carrier protein. A small glass pipette, the green color small glass pipette, filled with the appropriate solution is carefully attached to the portion of the cell membrane. This is called cell attached patch. The inside out patch, the pipette is filled with the appropriate solution. It has an electrode. The red color line is the electrode that allows for the recording of the electrical changes through the any pore or channel. This is the ion channel in the membrane patch. Patch means small piece of the membrane. The inside out patch of the clamp technique achieved by the pull the pipette from the attached cell without rupture of the cell patch or seal in the patch clamp technique. This is inside out patch. The rupture of the patch clamp seal, by brief suction to form the whole cell recording. The rupture of the patch clamp seal or part of the cell membrane by suction action of the pipette to form the whole cell recording. This graph depicts the single channel recording with the calcium activated potassium current in the cell attached patch clamp technique. This graph depicts the whole cell recording of the voltage gated potassium current. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, press the like button and share your friends. Those who are not subscribed this channel, please subscribe. These videos deeply discuss the physiology topics. You must read the physiology textbooks. Thank you once again.